Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Butch, and here we are in Copper Break State Park. Wanted to send something brief up for my channel because I've been here for 6 days. This is a Longhorn Texas cattle feeding, and was pretty interesting and unique to this park. We've just seen the cars circle up in the parking lot and then caravan to the area where the feeding takes place, which is the maintenance yard of the park. So they don't have really a great venue for this. You can't just meet there or walk up there or visit anytime. You've got to meet with the rangers in the parking lot and then follow them over there, and then of course they will stay there and babysit you until you all leave. Anyway, they've got a handful of the more tame and docile cattle here in the corral, and they're going to feed them these compressed sticks of something which has got, of course, corn and grains and molasses, which makes the cows actually even more hungry, and they go out and eat more grass. I was told by one of these rangers. These cattle come from Mexico and originally from Spain, where they were the bulls that were used in bullfighting, and the long horns were bred to make the bullfighting even more exciting. And it turns out that they also help the cattle survive on the plains of Texas. They are not bred for beef, and when they were sold from Texas in the cattle drives that went north, they were sold for their leather primarily, which was used to make belts for the machinery that was becoming so prevalent in the mid 1800s and at the turn of the century. So this young lady is going to show you how to feed a cow by just placing it gently in their mouth. And then she's going to put one in her mouth, and the steer is going to take it from her mouth. And she's totally fearless to do this. It doesn't seem to mind the slop, but we will catch her here. If you watch closely, she will use her collar to wipe the slime from her chin. There we go, honey. Yep. Yuck. Anyway, I kept my distance. The flies were atrocious. Poor things. You know, they don't have any hands to swat the flies. But that was a fun day, and I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day. Bye.